First, I'd like to know, what was the specific motivation for Survival?
Well, survival is for survival, you know, in this time, especially going through so much struggle. You know, when you struggle to survive. So we're always in a struggle. And survival is a reality, for we have to survive.
Do you think that the 1980s is going to be a particularly hard time for black people around the world?
Well, you see, black people only have to make up their mind who them is, you know. And the problem is all over because through lack of unity, we get pressure and oppression, seeing. So if I know who, as you would call black people, know I myself as Rasta, then, you know, that's a different thing. That is altogether what he really is. And what he is, then no man can fight what he is because, you know, we are dealing with God.
There are a few American artists like Gil Scott-Heron, and probably a couple others I'm not mentioning, who come from the same perspective that we are African people who happen to be living on this continent. Why do you think that theme has not been picked up by many more American artists, black American artists in particular?
Because in that team there's a struggle there. That is a real struggle. And plenty of people try skip the struggle, you know, and try to make life much easier. Someplace, sometime, somehow, somewhere easier, you know. But easier don't really last for time because the struggle is for make our people know now, say Christ upon earth and him name Rastafari. And all of our people now must know the truth and deal with it. Because if we don't deal with it, you know, it's judgment time. And there is some who God really pick, that some must survive. So we are called for the survivors them now. You know, because it's not a joke. Those who survive know so them have to survive because it is an inborn thing in them. Them know that. So we want to gather now because, you know, we can't wait much longer.
Do you think, you've been playing in Jamaica for 10 years, probably longer than that, before you became worldwide known. Do you think that the music that you played has had an effect on Jamaica itself? Have you seen change?
Well, that's about that.
Really know.
Yeah.
That's really creative.
This music affect everywhere, man. This is the music where the Jamaica people dance to. This is the music them listen to. When you say my music, no, I say reggae music. The whole music put together is that the people them deal with. Now, for some man who really are dealing with the strong part of the message, really get over Marcus Garvey and where all of them man there, we still continue upon that road and deal with it. So the music play a great part.
Were you aware that Papua New Guinea and the Karim, the black people in Australia, have applied for membership or recognition in the OAU?
No, I'm not aware of that.
Okay, Dr. Yosef Benjo-Kanan announced that at the last State of the Race conference, and it's a sign that the people in the South Pacific recognized. They said they wanted to realign themselves with the...
That is the best thing could ever... Oh, God, that is beautiful, man. You see, Emperor Haile Selassie formed this OAU, see? And this is where you call... This is what everyone should deal with, because, you know, America, black people should deal with it. People from Jamaica, people from everywhere there should deal with it. And then other people will know that it is true and deal with it too. Because what we are dealing with, you know, is something higher. I mean, it's not what we are dealing with. The reality of what's going to happen is something higher than man's own personal little vexation and pride self. This is something where no man can stop because all nations are going to gather and all nations are going to say, yes, I'm right. And some plenty will die, you know. But there is the people who did it who want it and know says to them one, which is the truth, the right to live, you know. Which when you check the right to live is to have the right vibe. The right vibe come from Rasta, you know, because it's just so it come. It not come another way. It really come from Rasta, the head. That means this is where all people must really deal with. Because them themselves, I try find the way. Every day them get up and look on the TV, them read the newspaper. Them want to see the truth. But them can't see the truth. Because the truth will not be found there. That is why the man said this revolution will be telepathic. Understand?
Do you think that you can, do you think that you can get that message across to this generation? Because especially this generation, because we don't have Malcolm X, or very few people even know who Marcus Garvey is. Do you feel like you can make a dent, especially in the American generation?
Well, it's have to happen, you know, because I can see it daily. I go out there and I see 5 Rasta man, and all of them talk like American. That means maybe I can say them was born here. For them children, it's the same thing. Now in the last flood, when only Noah and them 3 sons and couple wives it saved, multiply all of these people. So it is what it is happening, man. Right now you have more people, more Rasta, more than when Noah did save with in the last flood.
It's happening.
So it really happened, you know?
It might be slow, but it is sure.
Yeah, man. It's not a thing where, man, you're frightened, man. You're frightened because I see all certain people, man. I couldn't say, well, them are Rasta when I just see them. And all a year after, the whole countenance change and become more real. You know, him change. You can't see him like him get the gift of life to blood clot. You can't see when a man directly get the gift of life, you know, and him change, you know. All him countenance change. You know, him just ready. So, you know, we see all them things that happen to plenty people.
You're spreading an important message, and I know death comes to every man, so it's don't need to be any big special concern. But are you more concerned now that, especially with survival, that you've come directly out and advocated African unity and fighting in Zimbabwe and trying to remind black people that we are the survivors, that we over here are the survivors of those they brought over the Atlantic?
Yeah, we are the survivors, you know, and we have to do it. I go to Africa, and when I go in Africa, you see, every black man of the West, why? Him is what him want to be when him go to Africa. You hear me? Him is what him want to be when him go home. But there's still a decision for the African them making, because them have to come together and make the decision, Africa for Africans at home and abroad. Because we defend Africa. See? But up till now you don't really have like the African come out and say, well then yes, I defend who no. Yeah, you hear me? But still we can't give up. Because we know say some of them is French are rule for them country, some of them is American, some is English, some is German. So what we are deal with is something where we know say if we not deal with it, I mean, it have to be dealt with, you know. We just lucky say, me glad to say, well then yes, me know that when time we fight this war, you know, you find say it's not just a war of survival, it's a war of survival of a people, a rascal thing, because God control time, you know. That means how long you want to be gideated, you can go on the morning, come back young again, and the night and just done again, and then tomorrow morning it get young again every day. You know what I mean? So man have to make up his mind because he can't outlive time. So needless him put off. Get it now. Because the time is now. We don't want our children come blood clot suffer in the streets again, man, like how we suffer. No, our children look to we for say, well, yes, we must prepare the way now because, you know what I mean? I mean, we know that why we suffer through this blood clot. That means we can't afford for really, we can't do it. We can't become junkies. You know, that means you see plenty man, you know, plenty man him would just turn to the back, you know, because when him drink it, it make him forget. So him forget for like a time and you know blood clot, cause when him conscious, all them children them a cry upon him. Him have to do something, you know. Him figure says money, but it's not blood clot money, it's way I tell them. Because if you no mind sharp, it will become money. Because them will always like them want this and them want, and you know, we'll put like a ties and what them for know. What them for know? The way I figure, what them for know, That means you can take education after. Don't bother take education and come know this. Because it was terrible. All of them things they we have, you know what I mean?
It's not to be us.
Yes, you see what I mean?
Two last questions. I know you want to eat and you gotta play tonight. One, do you ever plan to do any albums specifically on history that's just about history, about people that young people today might not know about, not even just young people? And I don't know your work as thoroughly as perhaps I should, but have you ever written a song about taking African art back to Africa, out of all the museums it's in all over the world?
Yes. No, I'm not write a song like that. But it's that to the point. Because when I say repatriation, now the Rastaman say repatriation, you know.
The word is that.
So when we say repatriation, we mean repatriation.
You want our art back?
Yeah, we want all them things about, because if we don't get them, no one not going to enjoy it, you know. Because this blood clot going to turn fire and ashes like more.
Alright, I'm burn. Okay.
Them frightened versus the earth, at the earth, I turn ashes like how you hear them say. You know that certain parts in Africa is turning, what them call it something with the old person? No man, desert. You hear them say, America, some part of Africa take time to turn desert because sun heat up and come in. Well, look more. When this blood clot earth vex, God earth vex now, you know. The earth itself vex. Because them underrate the earth. You know, and the earth vex. God earth's the Lord and the fullness thereof. Yeah. So the earth vex. And when time the earth go back to theme spot, because them tell you say, if there was a river running through here and a man dry it up, and put land there, you know, and build it up theme way, the river is coming back to its place. That means every hole where them digging the earth, when they're rightful, the earth want back that blood clot space. And you know, say them have whole heap of things underneath. That means when the earth come with all a 5 minutes earthquake, guys, earthquake them a make, you know. They make blood clot earthquake, you know. It going to be red, man.
Okay.
Rasta.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
I hear. Yes, sir.